Okay, so hi everyone, haul portion of the video. Today I have a little unboxing for you. Let me put my phone on vibrate. And I got some stuff for my new room. And yeah, let's open up the boxes and see what we got. I'm so excited. First little stuff I have for my room is these LED paper lantern globe light. It's 8 inches, round shape, soft white LED, battery operated. It takes 3 AA batteries, and this is from Five Below. This came with it. I'm pretty sure this is like the stand or whatever. This is what it looks like right here. Take it out. What it looks like. Oh, look how cute. And then this is it right here. This is what it looks like right here, and I'm gonna show you it on. So the next package we have is from Amazon. Our Himalayan salt lamp light. This is how tiny it is. This is how tiny it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have this white Himalayan salt lamp, and I'm gonna take out the. So I'm gonna take this out. So you push these clamps in, and then you push it back in. So the next package I got is from SHEIN, and it's a lot. The first thing we have is here. I plan on putting purses on here. Well, actually, I don't know what I'm gonna put on here yet. The next thing I got is, everything I'm about to show you is the rest of SHEIN order. In this box, we have my desk drawer dividers or holders, and this is acrylic. I planned on putting all of my makeup and stuff in the desk drawer because I plan on getting ready here and stuff like that. I don't plan on really doing work. I definitely can if I want to, but it's not really planned for that. But yeah, so I have these. It came with a lot, to be honest. I'm gonna insert the picture here of what I ordered, and this is what I got. As you can see, all the different little acrylic slots or whatever. Next thing we got in the package is this smiley face cleaning scrub or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, this is for the bathroom, obviously. So yeah, I got a smiley face. Then the next thing I got is this is the windows blinds clean. I got is this little drawer attachment, and I'm gonna put this on the inside of my bathroom cabinet to put stuff in here. But yeah, it I want to say there's some type of adhesive that goes here, down the pole here and here. But yes, I got it. Next thing I got is this. It says it's a Ava multifunctional cabinet. I think it's a cabinet runner. But yeah, it's just this right here. The exposure. Let me turn it down so I can see. There we go. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I got is another cabinet holder majiggy thing. That is this. So this is for my purses. I'll insert a picture right now just so you could better see what it looked like. But yeah, I plan on putting my purses on this. The next item we got is I got another little hanger. Hear me out. So you get 20 of these for like $5. I don't know how many you get at Walmart, but you know, I'm pretty sure y'all know the little cleaning thing that you attach these to. If you have it, you have it. You know what I'm talking about. And you literally get a pack for 20 for $5. The next item I got is, okay, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna pop this one I'm about to show you on the screen now. So what I'm going to show you now is this is a two-tier organizer. So the next item I got is this cleaner. I plan on using this for the tub, and it has like a little handle on it, so you know you just. But the next I got is this hanger. So I want to say that I don't know what I had planned for these hangers. I do know, but I just can't remember at the very moment. So yeah, I got this hanger again to put, you know, stuff. Item I have is this. I'm not sure what this is, to be honest. This is what you see right now. That's what that is. It's basically like, okay, I'm gonna put something on a hanger and then let me look at the picture. Okay, yeah, so yeah, okay, yeah, that's what that is. You see this, you see it on the screen, this is what this is. And that's it for the haul portion of the video, and I'll see you in the next clip. Let's put this together. That's it. That's literally it. And then I think, yeah, these go on the side like this. Then I'm gonna build the next one, and it's done. And then it comes with these little hooks, so you could like put it on the sides maybe and like hang something. But yeah, and then it also comes with a bottom stopper, this little thing for the floor. Well, at the top right here to cover the hole. So this is what it looks like without it and with it. So yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. These are like, I guess, grippers for the bottom of the containers. Like, it's literally not going nowhere, and I'm moving. See how this is moving? It's not going nowhere. These, and I'm going to clean the inside. What it looks like. 1, 2, 3. These are the two bigger size brushes. Well, these are two bigger size brushes, and the small ones are at the bottom because I don't really use small brushes. These are like eyeliners, eyebrows, primers, lip liners, eyebrow stuff. These are all concealers. These are like, you know, sponges. These are highlighters. This setting spray, lashes. These are like blush and contour. I kind of did it in order of my face. So yeah, blush and contour. This is also blush because it don't fit. And then these are like highlighter palettes, and that's basically it. Eyeshadow. I don't really use eyeshadow, but you know, they have some glitter ones I'm gonna use for highlight. And then we have highlight, we have this contour palette here, we have this little brush, and some, I'm not brush, but this little, you know, sponge right here. And then we have these things. These are all mascaras, sharpener. These are all lipsticks, all lip stuff, all powders, and yeah, that's it. It looks really, really good. Hi guys, I'm in the bed menstruating. The camera fuzzy because I'm on my phone. But yeah, cheers to menstruation.